as you can imagine with my high school background that you know a little bit more about, I actually went there specifically to study sports management. And I applied to a couple other schools, and I really liked the sports management. I kind of wanted to be Jim Maguire because I saw a movie, and applied to Syracuse as a great sports management program, and a Kelly School of Business, not sport management, but business program. I was kind of thinking, with the sports kind of core, I want a big sports school, a big brand, a big name and network. And it's funny because I actually ended up graduating from USD, which has very little of those. No offense to Harbaugh's former football program, but it's just a different environment. So when I went out there, I very quickly realized that major was not about making Jerry Maguires. And I also realized I didn't really want to be that. As I was, took more classes and whatnot, I kind of was gearing towards the public markets actually in finance. And I kind of like the sports dynamic of being able to take a bet on a theory and you're either right or you're wrong. And that's what finance kind of enables. And sports, and that major specifically, I realized it was more of a sports marketing geared thing.
But why not stay at Michigan since it has a strong business program?
Getting to that point.
Yeah.
Right. So you apply after your freshman, sophomore year. And Ross, a top 3 business school, phenomenal. I did not go to that school thinking I was going to apply. And then a year in, when I was already behind the gun, didn't do any of the extracurriculars, probably didn't have the grades to get in. I had that decision to make where I was like, okay, now a year in doing finance on the side, whether it's public markets or whatnot, I realized I want to do finance in some capacity or another.